It is Thursday, March the 10th, and here is your Nashville Minute. I am Alana Lynn. Garth Brooks is currently on his world tour with Trisha Yearwood, but took time to talk to his Facebook fans, asking them for their patience when it comes to new music from him. He says that songwriting is like a muscle, and if you don't use it, you can't just take it back on. He does promise that his next project will be the most Garth thing he's ever done. Jason Aldean, Luke Bryan, Tim McGraw, Thomas Rhett, and Chris Stapleton have been added to the list of performers set to take the stage at the 51st Academy of Country Music Awards next month. Tim McGraw will be performing Humble and Kind from his latest album, Damn Country Music. And really, I just wanted to say damn. Justin Moore recently opened up about supporting Donald Trump in the 2016 presidential election. He joked that his record label will love him speaking out, but hopes it will allow people to respect his opinion. He said, "I'm a Republican and pretty conservative. I said a couple of years ago that it was going to take something completely out of the box in order to make that happen." I'd say he's right. And that is your Nashville Minute for Thursday, March 10th on K99.com.